Welcome back. In the previous video, I talked about the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. In this video, I want to show you the certification exam curriculum. Here it is. If you downloaded the exam guide and have gone through it, you have already seen this table of content. The AWS Cloud Practitioner exam covers questions from the 4 major areas. The first section covers some general cloud concepts, AWS value proposition, and architecture design principle. This section can secure you up to 26% in the exam. The second part of the curriculum mainly focuses on security and related concepts. This section covers another 25% of the exam. The third section is the most significant part of the exam, and it covers 33% of the exam questions. This section expects you to become familiar with the AWS infrastructure, various services, and how to operate in the AWS cloud. Finally, the last section is 16% of the exam, and they want you to understand the billing and pricing model of AWS. This course is also designed for 4 learning sections. End of each section, you will have some practice exercises for your self-evaluation. However, I am also including a final assessment exercise at the end of the course. The final assessment will help you to revise, recall, self-evaluate, and check your exam readiness. However, you should not expect any of the questions to appear in the exam. This course is designed for you to learn, practice, and prepare for the exam. And none of the exercises in this course are copied or collected from the actual exam. However, your knowledge and deep understanding of the subject will help you in the exam. Great. See you again. Keep learning and keep growing.